I know, and I'm sorry. Guys, I just forgot Kira's PC password. But fortunately, the engineer in charge here knows how to recover it. All because, obviously, I don't have the brains for it. All this and more coming up with special touches like you've never seen before, and without needing any bootable media to recover it. All with the power of Kira's mighty intellect coming up next. Alright guys, so let's get started with this to recover Kira's PC password, shall we? And don't dock it from my week. We're going to press the shift key, okay? Or may use on your keyboard, depending on how it's labeled, alright? No problem. Without letting go, keep it pressed down firmly. Then you're going to click here on restart, but with the shift key still held down. We click on restart and voila, check it out guys. This blessed software is going to appear. It's a good thing Microsoft thought this through since Windows 8.1, right? This feature is called WinRE. If you don't know what that is, I'll leave you a playlist. It's really good for mastering Windows at an advanced level, God mode, supreme level. The point is that we're going to go here where it says troubleshoot. We're going to press enter. And no, we're not going to reset the computer. Otherwise, poor Kira would have a heart attack. We're going to click on advanced options, okay? And let's go directly to where it says command prompt. We're going to press enter there and perfect. We already have this very flirtatious part, which is the pretty symbol. For this, first we have to make a backup of the file we are going to modify, right? Could you please type the following command for me? When you're ready, copy, then a space, the letter C, colon, / Windows. And once you've finished, just let me know if that's okay. Let's hit 92 again. In the system32 folder, / the directory UI, is that correct? Utilman got it. Exactly as we're writing it, Utilman, sorry, just to be absolutely clear here, that's UTILMAN, spelled out .exe. All right, does that make sense to you? If you need me to repeat it, just let me know. We repeat the command again, basically with a space C colon, and we write exactly the same thing, but with a suffix. We're going to add back, okay? Exe point back. If you notice, it's exactly the same command, the same format, and now we press enter. It says file copied, important, okay? Next, we're going to type copy again, all right? C colon / Windows / system, just like that. System32. Careful, this part is different. cmd.exe space colon. Utiman.exe, okay? Space / / and here we're going to type the letter Y, exactly as I'm showing you. We hit enter there and that's it. That's it. It's that easy, that simple, guys. What you need to do next is click on what says close, okay? Then we click on continue, exit, and continue to Windows 11, and we've unlocked it. And obviously, if I now try to log in with my password, which I don't remember, it won't let me. But here we have an important button with an icon of a little figure, right? Which says accessibility. We click there and it will automatically open what is the command prompt. Did you notice? Now we're going to enter the parameter net, okay? Local, just like that. Net local group, yes. See? Perfect. Yes, net local group, very good. Space, administrator, okay? Oh, sorry about that. I just suddenly realized and remembered just now that I'm actually not speaking in English at the moment, right now. There, we're going to type what is net local right now, okay? Net local group, all right? Space, administrators. administradores if you're in Spanish, administrators if you're in English. Okay? In my case, it's Spanish, enter. And there it will list the members that this user has. In my case, I want to recover which user is Omicron. In your case, see which one you're going to replace. We can see it here. All right. So with that in mind, we're going to type net user space, the username for which I want to recover the password. In my case, Omicron space and an asterisk. We're going to press enter. That's it. Type a password for the user. Enter whichever one you want. When you type the new password, you won't see what you're typing. Just enter it, press enter, and then retype the same password. Done? That's it. I did it here. We're going to give you an exit. Perfect. There it is. Miss Akira won't give me, the bite of my life anymore. Now we enter the password I just set, and we can access our Windows without any problem at all. That's all, friends. With this, obviously, Akira is going to be very grateful to me, and I think it's going to save more than one person's life. All right? In a way, we did it in a, let's say, redundant way, right? Traditional, but at the same time, with a touch of what is the WinRE section. Before, in these kinds of tutorials, what did we used to do? We used to download a Windows ISO, boot it from a USB drive or a CD or DVD, and then obviously we did everything from the command prompt, and it was a whole mess, a real ordeal. Now we have WinRE, guys, so you can see how important this mini Windows is, so to speak, because of all the tools it gives us after installation and for post-production. All right? If you want to know more about these videos, these video tutorials, please, I invite you to join the Discord group and also the WhatsApp group so you can stay well informed. We'll be seeing each other, and don't miss out on everything we're uploading to the channel. Give it a like, subscribe, and we'll see each other very soon. Until next time. Forgive me, babe. I swear I won't do it again. I won't mess with your PC anymore. I promise. All right? Pinky swear.